Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook login name. So step one, currently step one, click on this little Apple icon from this corner and select system settings. Now scroll down to users and groups. This is it, click on it. And just to let you know that I am sure of this tutorial, even though because I cannot show you the login name after the login name. I cannot record while showing you the login page, so I've verified this tutorial before posting it. Now, next to your current profile, click that you want to change its login name. Click on this little eye icon. And here you will see your current username. Double click it to select it all. Hit delete and call it, for example, in my case, I will rename it Air 15 because I have a MacBook Air 15-inch screen. So fill in your new name here and click on OK. Fill in your password if you are asked to and hit unlock. As you see, your new name will show up here, and just close this window and restart your computer and you will see your current name in the login page. And this is how to change your MacBook login name. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.